Okay, so I just recently got a package of this Pebeo Prisme. So I'm really curious about how these will turn out. Oil-based liquid alkyd effect colors, which can be mixed together. I'm assuming that means it can be mixed with other oil-based products that are in this fantasy set. It says it's opaque, textured, and pearl finish. The effect reveals itself while drying, resulting in a unique and magic I almost said experience. Appearance. Easy to use on a flat and horizontal surface. Can be applied on all surfaces. Mix well before use. This is my first time opening it. My main question is, can it be used on a surface that's primed with acrylic? And I'm going to use Liquitex Soft Body Mars Black. I'm going to prime one of these scrap papers and see how it reacts to that. Also, I have nylon brushes, and I'm also going to use some natural bristle brushes just because it's oil-based. So I want to see how it reacts to brushes, how it reacts to just a plain surface versus an acrylic. Yeah. This is the one that's going to be acrylic primed. This is good enough. I like this. This is a very urban look. This is urban. Okay, so I'm going to let that dry. Here are the two brushes that I'll be comparing. The nylon. This is the natural bristle. It came in a 3-inch, 2-inch, 1-inch. I've got a couple different colors here. I really like this pearly white here. So as you can see, it's separated, and it specifically tells you to shake well before use. This color is called Eggshell White. This is my second favorite color, Pearl Violine. Violet base, I think, with a kind of like gold bronze flakes. It's really pretty. Antique gold. I like this color. And I do like this onyx, except that I kind of gravitate more towards warm colors, and I feel like this is a bit of a cold pewter, like a rich, oily onyx. These two I'm a bit indifferent toward. This is called emerald, but this is not at all a rich emerald green. This is like an aqua color that I'd wear in the 8th grade on my eyeshadow. Okay, the testing process. Apply with a dropper, a brush, or from the bottle. It takes between 6 to 72 hours to dry, depending on the thickness. Clean brushes with odorless mineral spirit. Seems like these are serious oil colors. I primarily use acrylics because they're water-based. They're way easier to clean. I'm really lazy with cleaning processes. So I've thoroughly shaken these, I hope. I'm opening it, and they aren't sealed. Can you touch oils? I don't know, I'm doing it right now. This is so beautiful. I wish this was my nail color. This is the thick kind of part of it, which I'm hoping will have an effect. And then I'm gonna just kind of put this here to see if it's blended or if it's applied really thinly, what the pigment and texture and sparkle and all that will do. So far, this has a bit of my brushstroke texture on it. I don't know how that's going to turn out. So this is the natural bristle brush. So I'm going to try this one separately on the acrylic surface. I'm going to try them both together. It's not the most technical process. Put this back in. Everything on it says it's toxic. This kind of held my brush strokes. It's kind of settling into a deeper purple now. So let me just minimally interrupt this. And then I'll do the same on the side. That's that. Leave these. Whew, definitely used in a well-ventilated area. These last pours I'm gonna leave as is, just to see if it's left thicker, what the difference in effect will be. So I'm gonna let this sit. Okay, so far it seems like you really gotta let it sit because a little bit in there, I'm seeing some of the effect. And then in the pearled one, I'm seeing a little bit here and a little bit here as well. So it seems like you need to leave a decent amount of thickness. A little bit here as well. Literally, as I was filming, this started happening. So definitely needs a bit of thickness in order to kind of set in the appropriate way. And this is on the acrylic base. This is really cool, which means that I can kind of add this as an effect to my acrylic paintings. Ooh, I like this.